Hey, hello everyone. I'm back out in the field for a little evening hunt, and oh yeah, I'm out with the AT Gold with big 5 by or 8 by 11 or 5 by 11? No, 8 by 11 inch, the standard coil of the AT. And I got a 53 to 56 at about 3-4 inches, and it's a back seal. There's a bit of wind today, but I hope it's not too bad. There we go, one back seal. I don't know, can't see much on it. See you at the next. Okay, I got my next one here. It was a 73 to 79, and it's an unfired bullet. Look at that. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's German. Can't see much of the stamp, but it's German. There we go. Full bullet. On to the next. Okay, so I found something, but what exactly it is, got no clue. Maybe signal was 75 to 77. Maybe a buckle. Oh, maybe from yeah, some sort of buckle, I think. And then probably a buckle. Yeah, there it is. Maybe it's a bit decorated, can't see it. Yeah, that's nice. Gave a nice signal as well. Okay, moving on. Okay, this is the next target here with my AT Gold, sorry. It's a constant 75. So it's a bullet tip. There we go, 45 bullet tip. On to the next. My next one is a 46. I was expecting a piece of tin can, but it is. Now I dropped it. Oh, there it is. But it is a little Maria. So small. Little Maria pendant. Oh. There's gonna be something on it, you know. I'll have to clean it up. This is the other side. Yeah, I don't know. Made out of copper. Very nice. I like little pendants. Moving on. Okay, my next one is this bullet here. And I've been wiping it the whole time because I thought that it was like a 45 but unfired, but it's not a 45, it's like a complete lead bullet, but it's like too small for a 50 cal, and it's way too big for a 45. So I don't know what ammo this is. It might be like an old shot. I don't know. Okay, on to the next. Okay, the next one is this button. It was 71 to 74. It's copper, I think. Yeah, on to the next. Okay, the next one was a jumpy signal from the 40s to the 60s. And it's a bird ring. It's a Belgian one. 1992. Yep, there we go. On to the next. Okay, I had a signal here just right on the surface. It was a very steady 76, 78. It's probably one of the little lion cents or half cents. Can't see it. Don't think there's gonna be much left on it. But yeah, it's a coin. It's a start. See you at the next. Okay, the next one is a button. Signal was 66 to 68. It's a little copper button with the shank intact. Little flat button. There we go. I have a few other buttons as well, but very small and without the shank and no design on it or whatsoever. But well, I'll show you this one. There we go. I've shown it. On to the next. Okay, got my next one here. It was a 56 to 58, but it was kind of jumping around. It went back to the 40s as well. And this was also in the same hole here, piece of foil. But this is a little buckle. It's a little one and quite a nice one. Look at that. I like that. What a beautiful little old buckle. I like these. Look at that. How small. Oh well. Very nice. Very nice. I like that. See you at the next. Okay, so I'm returning to the car now. It's beginning to get dark as well. I had this. It was a very solid, very clear 81 to 85, but it stabilized around 81, 83, and it's a little buckle. A nice one, but I think there's the pin has rusted here on this side, so I'm gonna have to clean that a bit. That's nice find. Small buckle. There we go. See you at the next.
Hey, hello everyone. Welcome at the roundup. So I had a 3-hour hunt with the AT Gold. This is the tin can trash. And then we got some iron bits, chain link, heavy piece of metal, you know, rusty screw, part of a mechanism, something, a bit of zinc, yeah, piece of aluminium frame, and these little tags that are everywhere, seed bag tags and fertilizer bag tags, a few pieces of lead sheeting. This is copper, bits and pieces of copper and copper wire. We got an unfired, and I said it was German, but it's not German. It has FN on it. You can see FN, and then there should be a type or a date number here, but I can't read it. So that's a Belgian one, but it could still be like World War I, World War II. So it's been there for quite a long time. As you can see, it's got a really thick patina on it. And then we got some bullet tips, armor piercing one with steel core, a 45 bullet, 2 bullet casings. I don't know which one it was. I think this one has CO on it. You can see there on top the CO, and the CO is from is definitely Allied, British or American. I don't know about this one. This is a piece of shrapnel. This is a bird ring, pigeon ring, Belgian one from 1992. A little piece, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna keep it for some reason. This might have been like a spoon, or maybe it's just a piece of copper, don't know. A big lead shot, but it doesn't have rings. It's not like a tree ringer or anything, maybe like Enfield, I don't know, but it's a big lead shot that they would use in between the musket balls and the normal bullets with a casing. So still fired with gunpowder. And actually this is only the second one I got. So they're quite rare here in Belgium, at least in my parts. Small musket ball, a little Maria pendant, has a bit of detail on it, not that much, but you know, always nice to have these little pendants, you know. And then we got two bag seals or bail seals, a whole lot of buttons, smaller buttons, all with the shank broken off, little flower motifs on them. This is a special one. This is a mother one. This is quite a nice shape. 4-hole brass button. It said it was copper, but it's brass. And this one, old flat button with a little bit of decorations around the rim here. The little notches in it. I had one coin, this one, 1 cent probably, but it's unreadable, there's just nothing on it. And then we got the buckles. Well, I don't know exactly if this is a buckle. I didn't, I researched the buckles, but I didn't find this one. I'm not sure. And then we got this one. This is a shoe buckle, and I've researched it with the shape, and it would have like 2 pins, and I wrote it down. It should be made from 1660 to 1720, so that's actually quite a nice date. And this one is even older. These little buckles were made from 1250 to 1500 AD. So quite a nice old buckle, and really nice patina on this one. I really like that one. This one has a nice shape, but I will have to clean this a bit better, try to get it out there. But also very nice find. Both are copper. And then we got this small button here, which actually I didn't even know that there was anything on it. I couldn't see it uncleaned. I thought it was only just, you know, like a broken button. It's actually more interesting than it is. I thought it was. It has a 12 on it, and then like this circular shape. And this is actually a button from the War of 1812. So it's from the Grande Armée, the Grand Army of Napoleon the First, Napoleon the Great, the famous one with his hand in his jacket. I'll show a picture of it. So this would have been on their uniform somewhere, but I didn't find out where it was. It's quite a small one, so, but it is what it is. It's the regiment itself was originates from 1813, so it stands it's from in between 1813 and 1815. So, you know, give and take 3 years, it's actually pretty well dateable, and I'm really happy to have it. I didn't have one yet. It's not complete, and you know, yada yada yada, but you know, still very nice find. I love it. Together with the buckles, I'm actually very happy with this hunt. Really happy with the small one here, and this you know, I think these are my 3 top finds of the day. I'm very happy with them. So yeah, a bit of everything, and you know, rubbish as well, but in the end, quite happy with the catch. So thanks for watching.
See you soon for a new hunt, and good luck if you're getting out there. Bye bye.